Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to set Wallpaper Engine to start automatically every time you turn on your PC. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So to actually do this is quite simple, and the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you have Wallpaper Engine installed and bought for your Steam account. So as you can see here, here's what their store page looks like, and I obviously don't have it, but the setting to actually have it start up with your PC is pretty self-explanatory. So what you're going to need to do first is you want to make sure that you have your Steam set to, you want to make sure that Steam is set to start automatically as well when you turn on your PC, as you actually need to have it open for Wallpaper Engine to function properly. So assuming that you have that setting enabled, you guys would need to open the application for Wallpaper Engine, and I'm actually going to switch tabs here real quick, show you what I mean. So here's where you guys would want to be. Assuming that you've opened Wallpaper Engine, the next thing that you need to do is click on the Settings tab, which is found on the right side of the screen. So you get to configure the general settings like user preferences, and you'll see automatically that the first tab says Automatic Startup. So the setting that we're looking for is this one right here, Start with Windows, and obviously you can set the priority. You can set it to high priority, so this way the application runs faster and sooner as soon as you open your or I should say turn on your PC. So you just want to make sure that this box right here is ticked to have it set to start with Windows automatically. And what's going to happen is the program's going to run, and it's going to run your live wallpaper in the background. And once you've made your changes, hit OK, save, and that should be it. So yeah, that's a video. So hopefully it helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guides like these daily. So if you guys want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.